Hello everyone. This is our second lecture on setting up environment. When we work in a bioinformatics project, often we need to install several dozens of bioinformatics softwares. Each software could have different requirements and dependencies. So setting up our work environment for a bioinformatics project could be a difficult task. Before I start talking about Conda packages, I want to give you a couple of examples how we can install bioinformatics softwares because it is important to note that not all the bioinformatics tools are available in Conda packages. Right now, I am on the GitHub page of Virus Texo tool. This is the tool we developed a couple of years ago. Here, I'm showing an example how to install Virus Texo tool according to the documentation. So to install this tool, we need to clone it. Then we will go to the virus texo directory. Then we will create a Python virtual environment. Then we will source it. Then within this virtual environment, we can install all the requirements. This is just an example how we can use Python's virtual environment to install a bioinformatics software along with its dependencies. I want to give another example of installing Trimomatic. If we go their website and we can download binaries and sources, and there are also instructions how we can run Trimomatic. So let's try to run it. I will download the binary files. I will download those binaries into my software directory. Yes, we can see Trimomatic. We can unzip it. Now we can go to the Trimomatic directory. Yes, the Trimomatic jar file is here. Let's follow their instructions how we can run it. We will copy from here. This runs on Java, so we need to type Java, then jar, and then Trimomatic. So there is a message. It is saying that the command Java is not found but can be installed in this computer. That means often installing software and dependencies could be challenging. Not only the dependencies, there are many other challenges that are associated with installing the bioinformatics software, such as often we use different versions of the same tool for different projects, and those tools often are developed using different programming languages. Often those tools are built on different operating systems. There could have issues with compilation and build, and system requirements could be very different depending on the tools. Often there could be conflicts between softwares within the same project. Also, often we'll find some tools that are not well documented. In general, almost all bioinformatics tools have a README file or a user instruction. So to install a bioinformatics software or to use it properly, we should read those documentation carefully. So now we are moving to the discussion on installing bioinformatics software using Conda. Conda is a very widely used package and environment manager. Conda is very convenient to install bioinformatics tools and their dependencies. Conda also takes care of other differences such as dependencies or differences in programming languages or operating system. So there are many advantages to use Conda to install and manage bioinformatics work environment. To use Conda package manager, we will install mini Conda. This is a lighter and smaller version of Conda. If you are interested, you can also take a look into Anaconda. Here, I will follow their instructions how to install, and there are different installers for different operating system, for Windows, for macOS, for Linux. Right now, I will download the installer for Linux. This is Miniconda 3. I will create a directory name miniconda 3 on my software directory, and we'll go there. Now we will download the installer. That was very quick, and the installer is downloaded here. Now we will install miniconda using bash. To continue installation, we need to agree with the license. Pressing enter. Please check the details of their licensing agreement. Now we need to type yes and press enter. Now if I press enter, miniconda will be installed on my home directory. I am pressing enter. And the installation is complete. Now we can use Conda, but when I tapped Conda, it is telling me that command not found. You can remember now what we have discussed in our previous lecture, that we need to put the installation path into our bashrc file. Otherwise, the Linux system does not know Conda's installation path. As we know, Conda has been installed to my home directory. Let's go there, and we can see all the installation files within this miniconda directory on my home. Let's go to bin. Yes, there are many packages already there in the bin, and also Conda is there as well. Yes, we can see Conda. Now we can run Conda from this bin directory. Yes, Conda installation has been successful, and it is showing us the messages how to use that. So let's put this directory onto our bashrc file, so that every time we create a new terminal, we don't need to put this entire path to call Conda. Okay, so Conda automatically put the path into my bashrc file. Maybe if we source this, then it will be able to recognize those binary files of Conda. Yes, it's working. If we go to another directory now, yes. Now we can call Conda from any of the locations, because the installation path of Conda has already been linked to the bashrc file. Right now, I will show an example how we can install Trimomatic and all of its dependencies using Conda. To find Trimomatic, I typed Trimomatic Conda on Google, and it is taking me to this website, which is showing in Bioconda Trimomatic package is there. We can just copy this line and we can paste this. Yes, some packages will be updated, that's fine. Yes, it's done. Let's see whether we can run Trimomatic or not. Yes, the installation was successful. It is showing the instruction how to run Trimomatic. That means the Trimomatic was installed within the Conda environment. Let's see. Let's go to home miniconda bin. We can see within the bin of miniconda Trimomatic is present. That means this package has been installed within the Anaconda package manager. Not only Trimomatic, but also all the dependencies were downloaded and installed. In this lecture, we have discussed how to install a bioinformatics software. Also, we have discussed the different challenges to install bioinformatics software. In this lecture, we have also shown how to install Conda to manage packages and the environment. We have shown an example of installing Trimomatic using Conda. In my next lecture, I will show how to manage different environments for different projects within Conda. Please find all other courses on my website. Thank you for watching this video. Keep learning.